Applied Material Solutions is an industry-leading manufacturer of specialty chemicals and process aids, including antifoams, defoamers, hydrophobic silica, colloidal silica, lubricants, and additives for the fuel ethanol industry. Our corporate headquarters, located in Elkhorn, Wisconsin, is a GFSI-compliant facility manufacturing food-grade defoamers and antifoams per ISO FSSC 22000 standards. Elkhorn also houses our new state-of-the-art coatings and quality laboratory, as well as our primary R&D lab. Our Burlington, Wisconsin manufacturing facility produces colloidal silica, hydrophobic silica defoamers and antifoams, silicone emulsions, esters, lubricants, and demulsifier additives. The Burlington site is ISO 9001 certified and manufactures the majority of our products. Our Rockton, Illinois facility provides toll and contract manufacturing services, warehousing, and specialty chemical manufacturing, including powder blending. Applied Material Solutions manufactures chemical additives and process aids to address numerous industrial challenges. We manufacture foam control chemicals of most types, including silicone antifoams, water-based defoamers, and oil-based defoamers. We also synthesize ester-based defoamers. Our foam control clients include food and grain processors, pulp and paper manufacturers, oil and gas producers, water treatment companies, and many more. AMS is a leading manufacturer of hydrophobic silicas, including precipitated and fumed varieties. We manufacture hydrophobic silicas across a range of particle sizes and distributions, as well as differing levels of hydrophobicity. Hydrophobic silica is a critical component in the manufacture of many antifoams and defoamers, and provides anti-setting, anti-sagging, anti-caking, and thickening capabilities. Our clients include defoamer manufacturers, coatings and resin manufacturers, adhesives and sealant producers, and more. We manufacture sodium-stabilized colloidal silica sols with a uniform distribution profile. These water-based colloids are typically produced with particle sizes ranging from 3.5 nanometers up to 50 nanometers. Our clients include investment casting companies, vacuum formers, catalyst manufacturers, ceramics and refractory producers, paper companies, and more. AMS is a leading manufacturer of demulsifiers for the renewable fuel industry. Our demulsifier additives improve the recovery of valuable corn oil at the back end of the fuel ethanol process. Beyond excelling in the manufacturing of our chemical additives, AMS also specializes in taking care of our valued clients. AMS invests heavily in quality control and research and development, constantly formulating and testing new prototypes in an effort to deliver greater value to our customers. We maintain a large inventory of raw materials and finished goods to ensure consistent and timely supply to our customers. Part of this assurance includes our ever-growing fleet of dry vans and tank wagons. Owning our own trucks affords us the ability to ensure reliable and on-time delivery to our valued customers. To learn more about Applied Material Solutions, contact us today.